Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, musician, writer, painter, and he was the one greatest minds of India. Today, we will know few lesser known facts about him. He was the first non-European to win a Nobel Literature Prize. Rabindranath Tagore wasn't just the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize, but also the first non-European to mark his prominence in literature. Tagore inspired three national anthems. Many people are aware that Tagore wrote two national anthems, which are Jana Gana Mana for India and Amar Shonar Bangla for Bangladesh. What many people don't know that he also inspired the Sri Lankan national anthem, Sri Lanka Matha. He made a school from his Nobel Prize. Kaviguru invested his Nobel Prize money in constructing the Vishwabharati school in Shantiniketan. The school ran on the Shantiniketan education system and gave the nation many distinguished personalities like Amartya Sen, Satyajit Ray, and Indira Gandhi, to name a few out of many others. The preface of Gitanjali is written by W.V. Yeats. The preface of Tagore's most acclaimed work, Gitanjali, was written by another greatest poet of the 20th century, who is W.B. Yeats. Another thing was that Rabindranath Tagore was also colorblind. At the age of 60, Tagore took up drawing and painting, and many of his works were successfully exhibited throughout Europe. His strange color schemes and offbeat aesthetics made people realize that he was red-green colorblind. His Nobel Prize was stolen. In 2004, Tagore's Nobel Prize medal was stolen in a theft at Shantiniketan. The Swedish Academy gave him the award again in the form of two replicas, a gold and a silver. In conversation with Einstein, Tagore was once invited by Albert Einstein at his home. The two talked about religion and science, and their chat has been documented in The Note of Nature of Reality. Tagore wrote novels, short stories, poems, essays, verses, dramas, songs, and lot of other stuffs. He is believed to have worked on almost all kinds of genres. King George V of England knighted Rabindranath Tagore in 1915 for his great contribution in the field of literature. However, following the tragic massacre at Jallianwala Bagh in 1919, he renounced his title. Rabindranath Tagore was the son of Devendranath Tagore, the person who played a great role in influencing the Bengali Renaissance. Likewise, Rabindranath Tagore played a crucial role in discovering Bengali art, literature, music, and theatre. Rabindranath Tagore is also credited with calling Gandhiji Mahatma for the first time. He was truly a person with an exceptional brain. According to a legend, even on his deathbed, he was worried about the poems in his mind, which he couldn't write. We pay tribute on his birthday.